Hi guys, this is Keshav Malpani. Welcome back to 12 Minutes to CLAT. And in this particular session, I'm going to be telling you a perfect schedule to prepare for CLAT 2025 in the last 2 to 3 months. Now, see, we understand that scheduling is something that we all do a lot, but most of the time, most of the days, we are not able to follow that particular schedule. कुछ scheduling तो बहुत ही गलत करते हैं. We do it like we used to do when we were small in school कि 5 बजे ये करेंगे, 6 बजे ये करेंगे, तो वो तो हम कभी follow नहीं कर पाते. So rather than scheduling every hour of your day, you need to divide your day into certain horizons where you would particularly do certain things. तो आप लोग क्या कर सकते हो? You can divide your day into 3 parts. Now this goes for freshers differently and for the droppers also it would go differently. जैसे for example, in case of freshers, let's talk about 5 to 6 hours of the day are spent in school also. ठीक है? I will come to that school part later as well, wherein those 5 to 6 hours are saved in case of a dropper, wherein they have those extra hours, they're not going to school. उसके अलावा about 8 hours are spent sleeping during the day. ठीक है? 7 to 8 hours मान के चलते हैं कि इतना आपको आइडियली सोना भी चाहिए. 7 to 8 hours आप सो सकते हो. लेकिन जो बाकी रिमेनिंग आवर्स है, हाउ डू वी यूज दैट रियली जुडिशियसली इज अ बिग टसल नाउ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, फॉर द फ्रेशर्स, प्लीज डू नॉट गो टू स्कूल एवरी डे फ्रॉम नाउ ऑन. It is very important to understand, guys. अगर आप रोज स्कूल जाओगे, you will have a lot of energy spent in school itself. You will not have a lot of time. You will not have a lot of energy to prepare properly for CLAT. So if your school is 5 days a week, make it 4 days. If it's 6 days a week, make it 5 days. Don't go more than that. Even if you can get it lesser than that, make sure कि आप कर पाओ उसको. बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है because CLAT should be our first priority right now. Boards CLAT के 3 महीने बाद होंगे. Right, so you don't have to worry about board exam as of now. I understand स्कूल में एग्जाम चल रहे हैं, ये हो रहा है, वो हो रहा है, बहुत ज्यादा प्रेशर है, टीचर्स मान नहीं रहे. I understand all of that, but nothing is going to harm you if you clear CLAT exam. Right? तो हम लोग for both the freshers and for the droppers, how do you have to go about this is you have to do 2 subjects every day and plus current affairs shall go every single day. So you can make any random pair. For example, we make a pair of say legal reasoning and English language. So उसमें आज I will do that. And after that, I will start preparing current affairs. So current affairs you can give about 2 hours a day, and your backlog would also be there. The new current affairs will also be there. So you can give it 2 hours a day, and that would be good enough. अगर आप end of the preparation तक वो रोज करते रहोगे. And other than that, you need to start doing English, legal reasoning, maths, critical reasoning, 2 every single day. Now also understand there could be 2 kinds of students hearing this right now. First is those who have done the basic preparation. Now you know the basics of legal reasoning. Now you know the basics of critical reasoning, English, maths, and so on. If that is the case, you need to start solving a lot of sectional tests. So whenever you feel that, okay, now I know the basics well, now I just have to solve questions. Whenever you choose a subject on that particular day, do as many questions as possible in a time-bound manner. Always time yourself for every question you do from right now. Okay, and for those people who are going to start afresh now, take about a month to cover these basic concepts. लेकिन साथ साथ में still doing some sectional test. For example, if somebody who has already done this may do 2 set of sectional tests in a particular topic in a day, you can do 1, but please do 1. Otherwise, if you don't solve questions along with your preparation or along with the syllabus part of it, you will be lagged behind because और कोई तरीका ही नहीं है कुछ subjects English, critical reasoning, legal को improve करने का. You can study 100 concepts in them, but if you don't practice, you won't improve. So that's a very important aspect. So दिन में including classes that you are taking about 7 to 8 hours आप लगा सकते हो यहाँ पे, and that would sufficiently help you with the overall preparation. इसके अलावा I think you guys would also know that we have also started a crash course recently. So if you're struggling to find good quality, reliable, affordable classes, you can become a part of our crash course Sankalp. And it's a very affordable, very reliable batch of the top quality educators. From our crash course, you would know that last year we were able to get 14 students who went to top 3 NLUs in the last year. Right, तो आप लोग definitely crash course का part बन सकते हो. You will get a lot of mock tests. You will get a lot of you could say strategy classes. Obviously, concept classes तो होंगी ही होंगी. Right, so everything that you require for it will be at a very reasonable cost, and you guys can surely become a part of it. You can in fact contact us on these numbers. These people will guide you sufficiently for everything and anything that you want, or you can use my code Malpani and start preparing for it right away. इस particular चीज का link मैंने description में भी दे दिया है, but you can also download our applications from Play Store and App Store. Or you can visit our website 12minutes2clat.com and start working with us right away. क्योंकि अगर आप और अगर लेट करोगे, things will start getting out of hands. Right? It is very important. एक और बहुत important चीज है यहाँ पे, जैसे for example, अगर मैं मान लो I'm studying English and Maths in a day, for example, मेरे जो 2 subjects है वो English and Maths हैं. But now I feel that maths is one subject which is not my strong zone. And maths is something I really struggle with. I don't like to do it a lot, and that's a major problem with me. So how do I go about maths? है ना, मैं किस तरह से करूंगा फिर maths? So one way to go about that is I would you could say spend extra time to do maths. I will not say कि अच्छा मैं लास्ट के एक महीने में कर लूंगा. You don't understand कि लास्ट के एक महीने में you will anyway have so many things to do that picking up new things will be a huge problem. So please give that extra hour to maths. और मैथ्स से जो भी लोग अभी डर रहे हैं ना, देखो मैथ्स के हमारे पास 7 to 8 टॉपिक्स है. इफ यू पिक वन टॉपिक एंड डिसाइड टू डू दैट इन अ वीक, यू स्टिल विल बी एबल टू डू इट विद इन 2 months. तो इसीलिए भाई उसको अभी उठा लो. डोंट गेट स्कैर्ड. इट्स नॉट समथिंग जो आप नहीं कर पाओगे. इट्स जस्ट दैट कि यू नॉट डिवोटेड दैट काइंड ऑफ टाइम टू इट. We cannot be scared of maths as a CLAT aspirant. We are probably doing it for the last time, but it's just basic maths. We don't know it because we haven't done it so far. Calculations वगैरह सब slow होते हैं अगर हम मैच करते ही नहीं है बहुत समय तक. तो इसीलिए bear this in mind. If you want to get into a top 5 NLU, you cannot ignore maths. If your aim is not top 5 NLU or any NLU or any college in India, you can do that. I would not have a problem. But अगर आप top 5 aim कर रहे हो, you can't just rely on 4 subjects. You have to be there for all top 5 subjects. ठीक है, आपको सारे के सारे मार्क्स अपने काउंट करवाने पड़ेंगे. तो आउट ऑफ 10, 12 जितने का भी मैथ्स आता है इस बार, इवन इफ यू गेट अ 6, 7, 8, दैट वुड बी एन आउटस्टैंडिंग स्कोर एंड विल टेक यू 2 कॉलेजेस अप. ठीक है, 2 कॉलेजेस चेंज कर देगा वो आपके. तो इसीलिए मेक श्योर उन चीजों को हम करने लग जाएं. सो राइट, यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट दिस पर्टिकुलर एग्जाम CLAT इज ऑल अबाउट कामली गिविंग टाइम टू ईच एंड एवरी सेक्शन. You need to do away some of your, you could say, जो हम कह सकते हैं ना कि कुछ चीजें जो हमें काफी ज्यादा फैसिनेट करती हैं, है ना. It could be social media, it could be your friends, it could be anybody, right? So you need to forget those things or those people for 3 months only. ठीक है, 3 महीने के लिए छोड़ दो and start a fresh start properly if you already hadn't started. Do a lot of mock test, at least 2 से 3 mock test होने चाहिए हर वीक में. अगर आप उतने मॉक टेस्ट नहीं कर रहे हो, यू विल नॉट बी प्रैक्टिस्ड इनफ इन द लास्ट पार्ट. तो 2 से 3 मॉक टेस्ट करना तो मस्ट है. यू मस्ट डू इट एंड देयर इज नो हाइडिंग द फैक्ट दैट विदाउट दिस मॉक टेस्ट दिस एग्जाम इज इम्पॉसिबल टू क्रैक. आपको टाइम मैनेजमेंट नहीं आएगा. यू विल नॉट बी अंडरस्टैंडिंग व्हाट स्पीड डू यू हैव व्हाइल यू डू दिस पर्टिकुलर पेपर. सो दैट विल मेक लाइफ मोर एंड मोर डिफिकल्ट फॉर यू. So you have to understand that you have to calmly give all of your time, all of your energy now to this exam, because this is not just one exam कि इसको बाद में वापस दे देंगे. This is one exam that could decide so many things for you, so many things for your career. तो schedule हमेशा इस तरह से बनाओ कि you do not have to study 7 or 8 hours in a stretch. ऐसा कोई भी नहीं कर सकता है कितना भी ट्राई कर ले. You can make 3 partitions of 3 hours, 3 hours and 2 hours. Right, or 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours, or 2.5 hours. You can do that kind of a thing, and that will only help you. आपको दिन में 3 पार्टीशन बनाने पड़ेंगे. उसके बीच में आधे 1 घंटे का अच्छा खासा ब्रेक हो सकता है, बिकॉज 2-2.5 घंटे से ज्यादा वैसे भी कोई कॉन्सेंट्रेट करके नहीं पढ़ सकता है, चाहे आप मॉक करो चाहे कुछ भी करो. लेकिन 2-2.5 घंटे की आदत तो जरूर डालो, क्योंकि आपको अल्टीमेटली तो मॉक में भी 2-2.5 घंटे बैठ के पढ़ना ही है ना. तो वो आदत जरूर डालो, वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. And also it is the time where you decide what is your priority. Is it the board exam or is it the CLAT exam? Now you need to take that decision. You need to discuss it with your parents or your mentors. You can surely discuss it with me also. I'll be very happy to discuss that. And you are going to take that final decision. Because अगर आप दोनों चीजों को बहुत ज़्यादा जगल करने की कोशिश करो, it doesn't work out most of the times. Right? So you need to understand that both things won't work out. You need to choose any one of them, and one of them needs to be taken properly, एकदम properly. तो प्रिपरेशन करें तो अच्छे से करेंगे, आधी अधूरी नहीं करेंगे. या देखो 2 तरीके होते हैं. अगर हम आधी अधूरी प्रिपरेशन करते हैं तो हम ना मजे कर पाते हैं और ना हमारा एग्जाम क्लियर होता है. तो इसीलिए या तो पूरी प्रिपरेशन करो या बिल्कुल छोड़ दो. द बॉल इज इन योर कोर्ट. यू हैव टू टेक दैट डिसीजन विद योर पेरेंट्स एंड डू इट इमीडिएटली. इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू डोंट हैव टू वेट एनी मोर. स्टार्ट राइट अवे. यू कैन बिकम अ पार्ट ऑफ आवर संकल्प बैच as well, as I told you. And it is a comprehensive crash course for everybody who's going to need a lot of mocks, who's going to need a lot of you could say concept based classes, strategy based classes and general sectional test. A-Late के टेस्ट भी इसमें अलग होंगे. तो A-Late के लिए जो प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं तो वो भी analytical reasoning, static जी की सबकी classes will be a part of this batch. So you guys can become a part of this. Thanks a lot. I hope it was useful. If there are any concerns with respect to anything that I missed in this video, feel free to mention that in the comment box. I'll be very happy to take it from there and answer for you. Keep smiling, keep working really, really hard. Don't get too anxious. This is just one exam, one day at a time. Don't think about 1st December as of now. आज के बारे में सोचो कि आज क्या करना और कितना properly इसको कर सकते हैं. All the best. I'll see you in class.